follow till the second bridge. Mostly we will focus this side of the city. Right now, left side of our yacht is Europe. In Avrupa for this side. 15-20 minutes free time there. After that break, we will use this yacht again. We will use same yacht and we will follow the Asian side of the city. Here, where we start, Kabataş Pier, Kabataş Port, around 4:30. So welcome to you all. My name is Taner, will be your tour guide. So let's start with this palace here on the left. This is Dolmabahce Palace, Dolmabahce Palace of Ottoman Empire. In this city, Istanbul, with the old name Constantinopolis, let's say it was Topkapı Palace. Hagia Sophia, Topkapı Palace. Empire, they used this palace, Dolmabahce. Was a really great leader for this country, first president of this country. In all our Turkish monies, on the front side always the same face, Atatürk. This palace is a state house and guest house. Dolmabahce Palace was converted to a museum. It's closed, other days you can visit this one from 9 to 5:30. Actually, it's not like it's a private university. Money talks, it's better to say like that, right? Just after the university, this white building there, we will see on the left front side of our yacht, that's the Four Seasons Hotel. We have two Four Seasons hotels in Istanbul. This is the second one. It's just behind the Topkapı Palace in the old city. There's a big yellow building. I don't know, maybe you walked in front of it. That the first Four Seasons Hotel was used before as a dungeon and prison. Right now it's a hotel. During the summer we can see the degree is going up to 32-33 Celsius. But with the humid we have 92% humidity in this city. That's why the real feel can be like 42-43 most of the time. This is the most expensive hotel in this country.
Yes,
so if you want to take some photos, please prepare your cameras. This is Imperial Palace here, serving as a hotel. Right inside of it, you can see Kempinski. Kempinski has regular rooms, but this Turan Palace here is kind of salty. If you didn't try it yet, please try some Turkish bath, Turkish hammam, by the way, in here. But please do not try to find some fancy ones. Please try to find some classic, traditional ones, especially around the Hagia Sophia. That was the Constantinopolis area back in that time, let's say. So many classic, traditional hammams there. If you need any recommendations, I can write some hammam names for you. Turan Palace, Kempinski Hotel here, working together. This neighborhood here, right now we are sailing close. This is Ortaköy neighborhood. Ortaköy. The mosque here, Ortaköy Mosque, is one of the symbols, one of the landmarks of Istanbul. Right now it's not that crowded, I know. I mean, if you look to the left side and the right side of this mosque, you will see there are two big squares. Because of the time, it's quite early. And because of the Ramadan, maybe you know, it's some hours in this neighborhood, maybe some tea, coffee. Some alcohol, if you are drinking, can be really nice. You can see there's a really big mosque there. Çamlıca Mosque is called, with 6 minarets. Çamlıca. Not an historical mosque. Government built that mosque more or less 4 years ago. But in the present day, that's the biggest and largest mosque of this country. And Ottoman Empire, Turks, they came from that side and they built that fortress first. You can see some marvels from here. Probably you know, but let me explain. In all Muslim countries, all of the dead bodies, like that, let's say, they are buried to cemeteries, because In Islam belief, in Holy Quran is written there, we came from land, so we will go back to land again. That's why you are sailing closer to the Asian side. Welcome on board again, by the way. I hope you enjoy your time in the Kanlıca neighborhood. It was a short break, yes I know, but I hope you enjoyed it. So let's compare these two sides of the city, just a little bit together. European side, right side of our yacht, 10 million people living. This side of the city, 7 million people. Officially, maybe you notice that it's more green on this side. Local person, any Turkish person, which side you prefer to live, most of them will say this side, Asian side of the city. Privacy here, less car horns, less stress. Most of these houses, actually, they are like legacy from their grandparents. Like I said before, swimming is not allowed on the Bosphorus. The government is saying that you need to show extra 20% of the price in your bank account, which is 2 million of the 10 million, so we are talking about 12 million US in here. If anything happened to these houses, you need to show this money to the government for the restoration cost. You need to say to the government that I have also enough money just in case for the restoration. This is the rule. I mean, to buy the house is not the only point. Also, you have to protect it very well. We can see some palaces and museums as well, like the one on the left front side there. That's the Küçüksu Palace. It's called Küçüksu. It's a hunting kiosk, hunting pavilion of the Ottoman Empire. But whatever they find in that period, like some deers, gazelle,